Hello everyone, my name is John Ifeanyi Chimize, and today we'll be looking at how to download and install Apache JMeter on a MacBook system. All right. So the first thing we all need to know is that JMeter is written in Java, and so it runs on a system with a Java virtual machine. So before you use JMeter, you have to ensure you have Java already installed. So open up your terminal and simply enter Java version. Okay, so all right, made a mistake. So Java space dash version. So it's going to tell us the version of Java we have. Okay, but if you don't have Java installed on your system, no problem. I'm going to teach you how to do it. So you can just open your Windows and just your favorite Windows, anyone you use, just type download Oracle Oracle Java. So for me, I use a Mac system. So download Oracle Java Mac or download Oracle Java window. Okay. So it's going to take you to this site. Then you can click on the first one that has Oracle logo. So you can see oracle.com Africa Java Technologies. Okay. So when we click on this, it brings you to this page or to this website. So I'm going to drop this link for you guys in the description of this video. Then of course, as you can see, this is the latest Java version, which is Java 26. We have 25, we have 21. So you want to go for the latest version, okay? And before you download the latest version, which is the latest version, as you can see, all you need to do is to click on the Windows system. So go to Windows. Give me a moment. Let me check. Okay. So you click in the Windows. Make sure you click if you're using a Windows system, click Windows. If you're using a Linux, we'll click this Linux. Then if you're using a Mac, of course you click Mac. For me, I use Mac, so I'm gonna click Mac. So for those of us that have M1 and M2 upward, we are going to download using ARM64 DMG installer. Excuse me, this is for Mac users. If your laptop, your system is between M1, so let me show you. So if you click on about this Mac, you can see M1 chip, right? So if your system is, M1 chip and the likes, you can use this, right? But if you use an Intel, if your system uses Intel, if your Windows has Intel, okay, as the version, you have to use this 64 DMG installer. So for me, I use a Mac M1. So click here. As you can see, it's currently installing. It's currently installing. Okay, so once the installation is complete, you can simply click on it. Okay, so this is it to open the version. Then we don't need this anymore, so we can continue from here, as you can see. So here you can just click continue. It's telling us to change the location. I don't think we want to change the location, so just click continue. Install. Okay, I'm gonna enter my security password and install the software. So yeah, you have this install succeeded, then you click close. Okay, to trash it. So now that we've successfully installed our system, we want to also create our terminal, and we want to reopen it again. You could just come here and reopen your terminal again. So we could use Java dash version here. As you can see, we have the latest Java version, okay, different from the one we had last. All right, so what we need to do now is to move on and install Apache JMeter. So to install Apache JMeter is the same thing we do. You click on your browser and you just type Apache JMeter, download. Okay. So when you hit enter, it's gonna take you here. Already I have it installed, but let me just show you. So when you click Apache JMeter install, I will make provision for this URL, okay, in the description of this video, okay. So you're gonna see two installer packages. You have the binaries, you have the source. So all you need to do is to locate binaries. Under binaries, come to the zip. Make sure you click on the zip, not TGZ. So if I click on the zip right now, it's going to start installing, but I already have it, so I don't need it. Okay. So here, this is my Apache JMeter already installed. I'm going to, for instance, if I have the file, I'm going to unzip it. I'm going to get this document. So when I'm going to get this folder, I can click inside the folder. I'm going to see the bin. I have, a couple of folders as well, but I'm going to see the bin. Then a couple of things I'm going to see, but the most important thing I'm looking for is jmeter.sh. So how do I open this application? It's very simple. Again, I'm going to open my terminal. So if you remember, this is located in our downloads file. Okay, so when I come here, I am going to let me zoom in a bit. I am going to CD into my downloads. So I want to come into this directory. I'm currently in my downloads, so I'm going to locate this folder called Apache JMeter. So here I can do ls to view. As you can see, I can copy this and I can do cd and just paste. Okay. So I want to enter into this document, into this folder. So cd, and once I'm into the document, I can ls again, and I want to move into bin. So I can do cd into bin. And now that I'm into bin again, I want to view what I have in the bin. Remember, this is where I'm going to, okay? So because I'm inside of bin, I can simply do sh, then jmeter.sh. So this is how you launch JMeter in your MacBook. So when you click enter, you wait for a few seconds, about 10 to 12 seconds, if you count, and your JMeter would successfully launch. That is very, very easy. So if you have any question, you could drop it in the comment section of this video. I'll be, ready to answer them and help you through installing JMeter. And so you have your JMeter installed. Okay. We taught you how to install JMeter and how to install the programming language called Java. See you on to the next video. All right, guys. Have fun.